I'm going to take you through the steps on how to install an Oxygenic shower head.
Hi guys, thanks for joining RV Living It. I am going to, as you know, we've been doing stuff around the rig. So the next thing to be done is installing the shower head. Now the shower head is something that we enjoyed last time in the last rig, so we wanted to put it in this one. It lets us save a lot of water, especially boondocking and things like that. It gives you great pressure without actually using a lot of your water. So we're going to install that today. And I kind of already loosened things up, so I can just take you right through. There we go. So you're basically just going to unscrew the bottom of your hose. Drain your water. Didn't go all over everywhere. And you attach this up here. Hopefully it all pulls right through, but probably not. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, I don't have a big butt, but obviously it's too big for in here. Let's see if this is going to fit. We're going to have to. That goes on here. No, sir. Okay, so as you can see here, this is not going to fit. So what I'm going to have to do is take this off and put this up here. So that's what we're going to do right now. Get this stuff out of here so we're ready to go. Alright. Now I'm going to reuse these screws because the ones that they gave us are so long that I'm not sure if it'll go through the wall on the other side. So I'm going to try to find out. So we'll just keep the ones they already gave us. Now you're just going to want to screw this top part off so you can get to the access of the screws. And you may want to just put this little tape that they gave behind it, even though we're going to screw it, we're still going to tape it too. a lot easier for people who have nails. I don't. So it takes me an extra second. That lined up so that way, since I have the tape on there, I want it exactly where it needs to be. Okay. Alright, so we just put this back on. Now I do like this, but I will let you know you do not want to move this thing around. Once you get it to the spot that you want, don't continue to move it because it will wear out and then it goes and stays that way. That's what happened to our last one. So we kind of learned a little bit on that. And there you go. Obviously this is going to loosen up. Now you got the perfect shower head to use the perfect amount of water. Alright, so we're going to test the water now. Now this is obviously your lather button. These two buttons right here, they're going to control your... And this is your lather. And this is... and this is the... Hi! These two buttons right here, they control your pressure. So you can go full pressure or lather mode. So if you're trying to conserve your water, then that is the button you want to use. That noise that you're hearing in the background is our water pump. But yeah, so it works very well. And if you would like to buy yourself one of those and conserve your water, then I will leave a link below. This is very easy to install. It takes about 15 minutes, very minimal tools needed, and anybody can really do it. And I definitely recommend it. It definitely helps with saving some water. So I hope this helped you out.
We appreciate you watching, and we really do hope you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again. See you next time.